It looks like he has won the donkey over, but I don't know if the donkey can handle his weight.
Oh my god, dude! You're stuck!
Excuse me, sir. I'm not gonna help you. Wait.
Roll.
Welcome back, everyone. Police officers are trained to handle emergencies, but sometimes their toughest challenges come from animals. And trust me, the unexpected moments you're about to see are funnier than anyone could ever imagine.
Big guy, let's get you off the road, huh? Easy, easy. Nope, nope, nope. Hey, hey, back up! Oh, okay, he's chasing me. All right, you're in charge. I'm going.
Thanks to the accidental camera angle from a nearby driver, we get to witness a fascinating real-life moment.
Oh! That's my dream.
Don't want to bother you during lunchtime. That's
Oh my god.
no way.
So cute. Oh, party foul.
Hey, dog!
Charlie Romeo, Victor Echo Lima Lima Alpha. Charlie Oscar Romeo, November 1981, 0930.
That's not the right way. You sent me in the wrong direction, officer.
Is he alright?
No, he's been drinking.
Oh, I
It's a god alpaca. God llama.
Judging by how excited this alpaca looks riding in the patrol car, it might just want to join the police force.
Oh, he's actually gonna block us. He's gonna blood run. Look at it.
Oh, that's just too adorable.
What do you do?
The sight of this herd of goats looking like they're about to march in a protest is truly spectacular.
Oh my god, wait, he's gonna come at me! Hello?
Close that. Close that.
Close it!
He's gone. No, he's gone.
Oh.
Look at go there.
It's a livestock in the middle road. Come on. Where your house at? We got.
He seems so fascinated by the police uniform that he wants to join the force too.
Where's your house? Hey, where's your house at?
The mobile cat pit stop has officially arrived, giving these kittens a warm place to call home in town. Every police officer has a story, and this is their true story. You might be able to catch a criminal with ease, but catching a cow that's determined to escape is a whole different story.
7071 FD is with the victim. He is now disconnected.
71, right?
Ai, que menina linda, que bonita! Sim, tem que morrer.
You may go.
Huh? What's that?
Oh, good job.
Yeah, that is a skunk with a McFlurry cup on its head. An officer of the
Every
month
citizen
here.
deserves protection.
Trying to avoid
This
all
little
attempts to
skunk
get
may
its
not
way.
carry an ID, but it's still a local resident.
Let's see if he's successful.
Oh, he did it! He did it!
When the police officer informed the bear that its residency registration had expired,
It's the sound of the police. Oh my God, it's a bear!
oh, what's going on?
Run, Barry, run!
Oh, he's gonna box.
Every citizen has the right to be treated equally and ask the police for help, and what they received was This is not a traffic control checkpoint, but a meeting of sloths discussing a neighborhood parade.
Look here, dude.
Sometimes even police officers have to struggle when dealing with the citizens in their own neighborhood. Hello, is anyone there?
Huh?
Every officer
I'm
must
serious,
have
dude.
responsibility and
Trying to get
patience
the
when dealing with the citizens in their
He's probably
neighborhood.
gonna die from a heart attack now from being so stressed.
Oh, get a picture.
Yeah, I backed up real quick. Now let me let him go.
It's just hilarious.
Hurry up, Jack. Hurry up, Jack. What?
Oh. Every little life deserves a safe path back home. Today, this kitten has its very own guardian.
Oh yeah. So we're at Target and Chris found police because he always finds firemen or policemen or EMS. So where are you guys police? Tell us.
We're Westchester County Police.
Westchester County Police, okay. This is Chris's first time going to Target, and it's kind of fun.
Even the police have to negotiate with the local bosses. A simple encounter that reminds everyone what true compassion really looks like.
Almost, buddy. Yes, we're winning, dude.
Fue capturado alias El Bruno por orinar en postes.
(223) Be advised, the cat is meow in custody.
When your puppy thinks she runs New York City. If you're seeing this NYPD, sorry in advance for the interruption.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, I got it. I'll send it to you.
Oh, no, he's already made fish.
What's my rose bush?
Oh, come on. Oh, there you go. You're good.
Oh my God. Look at that belly.
Oh my God, you see Florida guy bullying gators.
It looks like he wants to check the police officer's ID.
Okay, bro.
The officer's K9 spotted something suspicious, so the officer went to investigate. It turned out to be a snake.
Only in New York. Oh.
ว่าเป็นสพท่ายางใช่ไหมครับวิชาชีพนะครับเพราะว่าทางโรงพักไม่มีอ้างว่าเป็น
Some calls are more than just a duty, especially when the ones needing help are these tiny citizens.
Your dog has more situational awareness than you right now. The dog has more situational awareness. Good boy. Take care of him. Make sure he goes.
Here we go. Here's the police were called on me for taking pictures of a foreclosed home, and everybody loves Kipper.
Oh, yes, we do.
The wonderful police department. The police that we all love.
Kipper.
I love the police department.
Looks like these officers are working overtime, helping the real bosses of the neighborhood cross the road.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Yeah.
What do you want? Good morning. So nice, you guys.
He's trying to get closer to her.
What the hell does it do with this?
You want to say hello? You can say hello. He jumps. It's okay?
It's okay.
Okay.
I gotta go to the computer. Oh, I know you like the small. I know you like the small. How old?
1 year.
1 year? Oh, he's
Yeah.
still a puppy.
Yeah, he's a baby. She coming. Oh, right. Bye-bye, baby. Come on down, baby. Oh, no. Got her.
No way. Am I actually watching this, bro? What the
This guy acts like he owns the whole road. Traffic rules simply don't apply to him.
What in the
Come on. Punch in! Ah! Oh, wrong way. Ah! He's coming back. Go! Ah! No! You got right. Come on, let's go home. Go home. Come on, go home. Oh, shoot.
When you're trying to work, but your coworker is asleep on the desk for the third time today,
He was going faster.
when a wild deer turning a routine shift into a serious wrestling,
I guess now kind of like scoop it, yeah.
I'm serious, dude.
Tag now for being so stressed.
Oh, get a picture.
As long as you lift it from behind, you're good. Get it off.
imagine having to leave for work in 2 minutes, and then this happens.
Go get it, Chris. You imagine being like, honestly, those people are like, okay, what the fuck is this called?
Almost, buddy. Yes, we're winning, dude.
This is exactly the kind of unexpected situation the police department never saw coming.
Goodness me.
Huh?
Uh-oh, the guy knows.
Môi bên sau cóท่ายางใช่ไหมครับวิชาชีพนะครับเพราะว่าทางโรงพักไม่มีทางว่า
Looks like this guy got arrested for excessive goofiness.
Hey, goat, where do you live? Little goat guy, look at this. Look how cool this car is. Get in the car. Yeah, that's good. That's a good goat. Goat, come here. No. Get in the car. No, you're not going to ram me. We're not doing that. No, bad goat. Go in there. Yeah, let's go for a ride. You want bad mamma jamma.
So we have all decided unanimously to not use this police car because this dove is an irresponsible parent. And she made her nest right there.
Go, yes. Who let the goats down? Look at the police chasing
When Turkish police get called at 2 a.m. after a bank alarm goes off, but this is what they find instead.
When your cat thinks he can go to work with you and won't take no for an answer.
Quit it. I said quit it. See you on the next one, buddy. Alright, dude. Alright, guys, we good? Sorry about it.
Look who's in trouble now.
Maybe the police should be more careful. This cat could be an accomplice trying to erase all the evidence.
Out the door, buddy. That one's open.
Yeah, the door's open. It's right there. You know? There you go. There you go.
Says well, he's busy.
Don't worry, officer. He's not causing trouble. He just wants a new friend.
Look, go get him.
I believe.
Classic.
Cops in Canada be like.
Just because this turtle decided to take a nap in the middle of the road, traffic was backed up for an entire hour.
Yeah, here we go. Here's the police were called on me for taking pictures of a foreclosed home, and everybody loves Kipper.
Oh, you're sweet.
The wonderful police department, the police that we all love.
This driver was down the road from the dog park, but got pulled over because he accidentally made an illegal left turn. And needless to say, his husky was ready to have him arrested for the unnecessary delay.
It's already scorching outside, and now someone decides you need a blanket too.
They were speeding in a bird zone, and by the look on that dog's face, you could just tell that they are definitely getting a ticket.
The police arresting a pig.
Actually gonna go to Wairika? Huh? Let's go to Wairika?
No, not today.
All right, baby. Which way you going?
In there, babe, over there by the tree or something. Or on the other side by the fire hydrant.
Away from our vehicle.
They look like two best friends chasing each other around.
When your puppy thinks he runs New York City. If you're seeing this NYPD, sorry in advance for the interruption.
The whole road had to wait while this flock received the kind of security escort most people can only dream of.
It's okay, buddy. Legs. Legs.
Police officers don't just protect people. Sometimes they become heroes for animals too.
There you go.
That's how we do it. That's how we do it, boys. All right?
I'm so down.
Bro. No focus.
Look at these cops chasing.
The cops literally brought in a special agent to patrol the city today.
I don't know, but I'm getting this on something.
Like, cut it up there.
Cut it by what? Sure did it. You want to say hello? You can say hello. He jumps. It's okay. Okay.
1 year. Yeah. Yeah, he's a baby.
You're beautiful. All right, man.
Have a good day. Drive safe.
This has been on Eastern Shore Undercover. He made it to some. Oh my goodness! The emu! Oh my god!
Fue capturado alias Bruno por orinar en postes.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god, this is so beautiful.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our latest videos. See you in the next one.